I'm such a big fan. This is not another cooking show, and Steve always brings these cute recipes. I love the way he presents the recipes, the way he cooks is just so much fun. And one of the recipes that I really love is these small, tiny meatballs that he makes, and with this wonderful sauce. Oh my God. So I made the sauce all day long and I posted the recipe here. And one of the things that I really wanted to make as well was the recipe of the meatballs. I wanted to make these tiny meatballs. It looks so good. And I had so much fun making it, of course, gluten-free and dairy-free with a little version. And now this is finally the end of the recipe. I hope you like it. I'm going to use ground turkey, beef, and lamb. We had a little growl there. I'm going to use minced garlic powder, chili flakes, lots and lots of parsley, and my homemade gluten-free breadcrumbs. I will add later 2 eggs. This is a wonderful recipe for a Sunday where you have some more time, and I have to say that at this time I already have my tomato sauce halfway. It is a perfect recipe to join the family together and help you to make those beautiful polpettini or polpette. At this time, I already have the sauce halfway. It is on the stove and it's boiling and reducing on a medium-low heat to make sure that all of those flavors get really concentrated and really perfect. This is a recipe that is gluten-free and dairy-free, and so to enhance flavors and to bind all the ingredients together, I'm going to make it absolutely delicious with garlic, minced garlic, the garlic powder, lots of parsley, my homemade breadcrumbs, salt, chili flakes, and then 2 eggs. Again, I'm going to mix everything very well, and I'm ready to start my polpettini. So small as I can. There we go. You have the first one. And there we have a tray of meatballs. How beautiful. I'm finishing my sauce at this time. Look how much it has reduced from the top of the pan. And now I'm going to fry my meatballs. And I cannot wait to make this recipe over and over and over. I was researching on meatballs and I found a delicious note of Donna Pichocchi, and she says that she thinks that many would agree that a meatball is a little ball of love that has the power to bring families together with warmth that only a true comfort food can. And then she says, go ahead, in the words of my ancestors, manja, manja. And I think it's so delightful, and I just want to leave this note because it is this act of bringing food that brings peace and love and people together. So again, food, it brings peace and so much pleasure, right? What do you think? Leave your notes below.
Okay, I think. Fantastic. Simply fantastic. Video of this, what you did today. Are you able to post this?
Yeah. You like the meat?
Very
You like
good.
the meatballs? And
Yeah,
you
I
like
do.
the sauce?
The sauce is amazing, full of flavors, really like homemade. You can feel like it was really prepared for a while and took time, and it was chopped, and the mix of ingredients is just perfect, and it goes so well with the meatballs, and the meatballs are actually unbelievable.
Bite size?
Bite size. Look,
Just so
I'm
cute.
just picking one like that.
You don't
I'm
have
gonna
to
make a
bite
huge
and
bite.
Scramdelicious.
Well, if you like this recipe, don't forget to put the thumbs up, to like, and to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, to become a beautiful Gabrielian, and let's make wonderful recipes together.